I'm Claudine, joining you from Mildred's Big City Food and Bluegill Quality Food to talk today a little bit about tonic water, some cool science behind quinine, which is the primary agent in tonic water that gives it its kind of bitter flavor. Quinine is actually derived from a natural plant bark called the cinchona tree, and it's originated back in the 1800s when the British were occupying India and quinine was used to treat malaria. The Brits, being Brits, realized, hey, if we add gin to this, it tastes a lot better. Today we're not making a gin and tonic, as I think that's a pretty simple cocktail that hopefully you know how to make at home. So we're gonna make a slightly fun, different cocktail. However, the science part first. One really cool thing about quinine is that it is fluorescent under UV light, which means that the type of molecule it is can absorb UV light energy and re-emit it as visible light. What we have here is just a little black light, and we immediately see it starts to phosphoresce and emit this blue light. And we have both of them here right now. So what we're gonna do, for those of you that have kids or wanna have a fun different science experiment, when you increase the acidity of the solution, it increases the availability of free ions and should theoretically increase the luminosity. So we're gonna add a little bit of, this is what we have in-house that we use to make our salad dressing. It's a champagne vinegar, but any kind of acidic solution you have at home should work pretty well. So we're gonna add a little bit of this and see what happens here. So we have side to side. You can see that might be a little more of a brilliant blue versus this one. That's the plain one. So a fun little thing to maybe play around with your kids or the family. We're gonna remove our vinegar tonic water and keep our regular tonic water here. And we're gonna start making our cocktail. Harkening back to the Brits and the Europeans, we're gonna use a little Lillet Blanc here. So this is a low ABV, nice for hot summer weather. It's basically a fortified style of wine infused with different herbs. So we're gonna use 2 ounces of this. I have a peach liqueur here. You can use any kind that you can find at the liquor store. We're gonna use 1/2 ounce of this. And then we also have a peach juice. Let's kind of lengthen it a little bit. So we're going to do 1 ounce of peach juice. And to add a little extra acidity to our cocktail, we'll do the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. And now we'll add a little bit of our tonic water. Top with ice. And to finish, we'll just garnish with a little lemon slice. You're ready for your summer patio sipper cocktail. Enjoy.